periodic table, very important in chemistry. I learned it. Okay. And period 1, group A, hydrogen, helium, sodium, potassium. No, this is wrong. He na karab se farya. Say that. Okay. In second one, group B, group 2. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप बड़ा सी. This is correct. And
What say?
ली ना कारब से फरियाद.
हिलीना हिलीना कार अब से फरियाद. बेटा मांगे कार
Scooter.
स्कूटर बाप राज्य. Am I right?
But you tell that two option. बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप राजे.
Wow, what a nice periodic table to learn that.
And the second one, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजे. This is
Wow, this is second option to learn.
And I have.
I think it's a simple in your mind to learn. And these are group 18 group periodic number. I love this 18. Sorry, I love too much. What my 13? Boron, helium, gallium, indium, thallium. But which is my favorite?
No, you
When
tell that बारिश आई कल 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 आंटी आई निकली आंटी. sorry.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth.
This is model periodic table. You have old periodic table. That's because the model periodic
This is
table.
18. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, nexon, radium, and
No, this is not good. But
this is not included.
No, this is not. But
Only for 6.
only
These are not element.
no. This are not element. You and this one and this 111 and 118 is not element.
Only for 100.
108 element. This is, and I tell
This
that
is 108.
periodic table, model periodic table. Father.
Henry G.J.
But
Moseley.
short name is Henry. Okay.
Henry.
You tell
You
that
learn.
Henry. And
Father of
this is particular.
concept of atomic number.
And I tell that atomic number 13. You say that this one,
No.
this is all atomic number.
Density.
And density not important. This
Atomic radius.
electron is very important.
Atomic weight. I think atomic weight is important.
No, this is
Not important.
This only important.
Crystal structure.
This is important.
Electron structure.
Yes, I learned how to electron structure this one.
Oh my god.
This one. This is very important. You class student 12, then you are very important. This one 5 number you have exam in the exam.
Oh.
Yeah, I learned it. This one.
In
I tell
inorganic
this-
chemistry.
This is electronic configuration
Electronic
of atomic number 1 to 13. This
configuration
one, 1 to
of the
30.
atomic number 1 to 30.
This one to 30.
Guys, you can see this.
But this without help.
What
this
without
one
help?
novel gas, but this help is novel gas. I write without help novel gas, but this is correct. This is also correct. Then remember 21, this one, and 21. 21 and this one, this is also
Stadium SC.
but both are correct, but with the help of novel gas, but both are correct, but without help of novel gas.
Guys, you can see that this is my English verb sentence graphical overview. simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And this is arrow to I remember that whenever I see, because past continuous it's continue in past
And
run.
this I tongue twister. I repeat for you. Okay. How much would you urchak chak if you urchak chak could urchak chak could?
Tongue twister.
Yes, you remember that. How much would you urchak? I am 5 times. Repeat only fast. Okay. How much would you urchak chak if you urchak chak could urchak could? How much
Guys,
would
you can
urchak
see,
chak if you urchak chak could
as you
urchak could?
can see, and see written some tongue twister to clear your
I said that
vocabulary.
this one. How much would a urchak chak if a urchak chak could a urchak chak? Repeat 5 times only fast. How much would a urchak chak if a urchak chak could a urchak could?
Wow. Fuzzy Fuzzy was a weird
Fuzzy
fuzzy.
Wuzzy was a weird. Fuzzy Wuzzy had not here. Fuzzy Wuzzy doesn't fuzzy. Very fuzzy. Wuzzy.
Most important come on the honest
This is I write some one
Topic.
topic and I write is always. No, this one.
Oh, hello everyone. My name is Anika, and first of all, let me start with how to improve my English speaking. My English. Why are you use too much whitener? It's white. You don't use too much
I
whitener.
write first time that will cause some mistake. But
Sometime you occasionally use, but you regularly and you use too much. That's not good for whenever you write. Weak, but I can do it, and my English is good. I do hard work and practice more. You write more in on of the mirror. Everyone say
front in
to
the mirror. This is front.
next day and.
Thank you everyone. This call it a day, guys. Bye bye, guys.
And if you like this video and
If you like this content and I post my daily content and this is my room. If you want to tour my room, I call you later and this call later. Bye bye.
and this is some study tips and some to learn that you can see that
say that
and you can see overall.
And this is my mic is 2-in-1 mic. This inner corner is mic, but after corner is erasing.
She is joking.
No, I'm not joking. I play off extent.
She have no any mic and she use
No,
only
this is
this.
mic really. Then you call it a day. There was call guys and thank